and welcome back. It's me, Emily. Today I am going to teach you how to make brown. You can make brown by mixing red, blue, and yellow. Wait here. This is yellow. This is red, the hat. And this is orange. If you mix them all up together, it equals brown. Kind of like that brown a little bit. You can also make brown by mixing yellow and purple. Let me get it. Yellow and the purple coat. If you mix them together, they equal brown. There are 2 more ways to make brown. One more way is mixing red and green like Christmas. So let me get red and green. This is red and green. Okay, I think I know one more way. One more way is mixing orange and blue. These two, the color of this one and the whole color of this one. So if you mix these together, they equal brown. Well, that's the end of this video, but I hope you enjoyed how to learn brown. This is not just for toddlers. This is also for if you in grades 1 through 5th. I don't know. Well, this could be useful to anyone. Hope to see you again. Bye-bye.